Hello viewers, how are you all? You are watching Madhur's Recipes channel. Today I will show you another popular coffee recipe. The name of coffee is Coffee Mocha. So friends, let's go for make coffee. This coffee making is very simple. I took first to make coffee, 1 teaspoon instant coffee, 1 teaspoon chocolate syrup, 1 teaspoon sugar and 3 teaspoon hot water. Then I am mixing 4 ingredients. Then to make the foam, I took a mini blender in 200 ml hot milk. Then I will pour the foam on top of the coffee. So viewers, if you want to get more recipes, subscribe to our channel. Click on the bell icon next to it. Stay active. Thank you everyone for watching this video.